Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable Bing Safe Search. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the menu hamburger looking icon up at the top right. Go ahead and just select that. And then go ahead and select the option that says Safe Search, and it should take you directly to the Safe Search settings page. If you want to turn it off, just select the off option, which will turn off the filters from your search results. And you will need to select save to save the change, and then you would agree. And that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.